Trinidad and Tobago is a true melting pot of cultures. Out of this pot, our unique flavors come to life. I'm Renee, and here on Simply Local, we cook some of our favorite local recipes or put a Trini spin on international cuisine. So join me on Simply Local as we celebrate food from a Trinbagonian's perspective.
So I have a quick and easy salad for you guys today because I know everyone is a little bit more health conscious today and everybody's watching a diet, and a lot of people are asking me about this keto diet. And a keto diet basically means a low carb to no carb at all. Right? So today I'm going to make an avocado and bacon salad. We reach around the year where everybody tree have avocado. It's not finished as yet, but you know the tree have it, or the neighbor tree at least have. So I'm going to make today an avocado and bacon salad. So let's begin. Guys, so this salad is really quick and it's packed with colors, right? So to begin, I'm going to start off the base with spinach. Like I said, I'm layering it because avocado tends to have this smooth texture, and we don't really want it to mess with the colors or textures of everything else, right? So I'm starting off with the base of spinach. Feel free to use lettuce. You could use arugula. It's really up to you, right? And next, I'm going to use my avocado. And you can put a little, but it is called an avocado and bacon salad, so I'm going to put a lot. And we're playing on colors, guys. So next I have a red onion, and we're going to arrange this. Next I'm going to add some tomatoes for the red. I have a little bit of yellow going on here with some sweet peppers. And next we have the bacon. So I don't want to chop up my bacon. I want to have big pieces of bacon. So I'm just going to use my hand and just put it right through the salad. You can arrange it, or you can go ahead and just place it on. So next I have my chicken, right? All I did to season it, salt, pepper, garlic, and I added some rosemary. Right, so I'm just placing the chicken on top. All right, so to add to the texture now, I'm just going to add some of the cuisine roasted nuts. So I'm just going to take it and roughly chop it. And last but not least, some cuisine golden raisins. Just add some sweetness and balance out all the saltiness in the salad. Right, and there we have it. All right guys, so to finish off, I'm gonna make a honey mustard dressing. So in a bowl, I'm adding mustard, honey, salt and black pepper. I'm gonna give it a whisk. And then I'm going to stream in some olive oil. And that's it. All right guys, so here we have it, our avocado and bacon salad. As usual, I have a guest on the show, but today I have two. So I have Fats here, as well as I have Lisa, right? So they're going to try it for me, and guys, I want your honest opinion, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
So Fats... So Fats and Lisa gave me a little honesty earlier and told me that they're not fans of avocado. So this will be interesting, and we're gonna get their real feedback from them and see what they think. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of everything for you guys, right? Some spinach, bacon, avocado, and chicken, right? And what I did to top the salad, I have my homemade honey mustard dressing here. So you're gonna try it with it as well, right? So I'm just gonna put a little bit so you can try it. Okay. So ladies first. There you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so everybody have their dish?
Yes,
ma'am.
Good to go. Let me know. Make sure you get a bite, a little bit of everything, okay?
Okay.
Right, so spinach, avocado, onion, sweet pepper. I'm gonna try to do this fully veggie. First bite.
Sweet pepper.
This is good.
That avocado texture. It's so good, but the avocado texture
How's everything else blending together? Good?
Yeah,
honestly.
it's good.
Avocado found itself right in the middle of all the ingredients. I didn't even know it was there.
You see?
I didn't know it was there.
See? Now tasted chicken, tasted bacon.
Yeah.
Honey mustard.
I didn't have any.
Yeah, the honey mustard is star.
Yeah, the honey mustard. Saying real thing.
As always, guys, the full recipe is on eatahfoodtt.com, or you can follow us on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought about this salad. And just like my friends here, the non-avocado lovers, let me know as well if you try it. And enjoy, guys. Until later. Bye.